We're gonna do a chicken video. What was that? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. What a beautiful little baby. Oh, you're a beautiful little girl. You're such a nice baby. Mama loves her baby. Mama loves her baby. Mama loves her chicken wing. I do. I love my chicken. I love me some chicken wing. I love you, honey. Okay, we're getting ready for bed pretty soon, so you want to say good night? You want to say nighty-night? You want to say anything? Probably not. Look at those eyeballs. Ooh. You're such a good little girl. You know that. I love you. Love you, chicken. Say subscribe. We love you guys. Nighty-night.